I don't think I've ever heard of a rate better than that.
When Cindy and Paul Giacchino went to refinance their New Jersey home, they couldn't believe the interest rate they were offered.
I let out a little scream.
Yeah, there was a lot. I heard it from downstairs. I heard it from downstairs.
The Giacchinos bought their house nearly 2 years ago with an interest-only loan at 6 3/8%. This week, they refinanced to a 30-year fixed mortgage at 4 1/4%.
That's going to save us like $300 plus a month.
$300 plus a month? That's a car payment.
Crossroads Finance.
With interest rates falling to 50-year lows, the phones are ringing at Crossroads Finance in Pompton Plains, New Jersey.
Well, I do have a lender that...
But tighter lending standards are making it hard for many to take advantage of the lower rates.
You have plenty of assets, but they're not liquid assets.
It's a completely different climate.
Completely different.
Mortgage broker Wendy Nastasi says banks won't cut corners anymore.
We want to see people who have money in the bank for reserves. We want to see people who have decent credit scores.
But in the wake of the recession, more than a quarter of all consumers, 43 million people, have credit scores below 600, marking them a bad credit risk.
That's what we do now.
Scott Katzer doesn't have that problem.
I'm current on my mortgage, I'm current on my bills.
But foreclosures in his Fort Lauderdale, Florida neighborhood have driven down the value of his home.
Houses that were in the 400 to 500 range are now, barely above the 200 range.
With his house now worth less than his mortgage, banks won't let him refinance to a lower rate.
I'm being told the same thing. I cannot qualify based on the value of the property and its current location.
So many of the people who need the relief the most can't get it, which is one reason why, even with these record low rates, applications for home loans are declining again. Katie?
All right, Anthony Mason for the second time. Thank you very much.